How to add DNS records in your Squarespace domain. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you get DNS records from any website builder, you can easily add them to your Squarespace domain to connect your domain. So I'm going to go into Shopify and show you guys how you can add DNS records from Shopify onto Squarespace. Simply go into your domains. Once you go into domains, you are going to click on Connect Existing, and then we're going to add our domain like so. Once we do that, click on Next, and you will receive either a direct connection or DNS records like these. Go into Squarespace and then click on Domains. Select the domain that you want to connect with those DNS records. Once you select those domains, click on DNS on the left panel. Once you do that, click on Add Record. Go into the DNS records and copy the values. Starting off, you have a record, which is 60 minutes, and the current value needs to be blank. We're going to go into Squarespace, choose an A record, and then we're going to paste in the value over here. Then the current value is blank and the type needs to be A. So the host is at. Once we've done that, we're going to click on Add Record and add the secondary record, which is a CNAME record. So we're going to add CNAME, www. And then we're going to add the new value like this. Now, one thing to note is that the Shopify version requires a 1 hour TTL. So I'm going to change the TTL to 1 hour for both of these records, like so. Once you do that, so I'm just going to change this from 4 hours to 1 as well. You guys can see that our domain records or DNS records have been updated in Squarespace. I can verify that with my Shopify store or any other platform I'm using. Just like that, you can get started with altering DNS records on Squarespace. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.